Hello everyone, this is Anthony, Wall Street Trader's son, and before we get into this video, let's go through the disclaimer real quick. This is not financial advice. The opinion you should follow should be your own and or with a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes and to outline my own personal opinions as well. The intraday updates are on twitter.com, the links below. And to stay up to date with my latest videos, click on that subscribe button. And now into the stock markets with my dad.
Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 8:56 a.m. on Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. Let's take a look at the markets, and we're over at 23.41 right now. Just so everyone knows, I'm still in at 43 cents. So, yeah, I'm down, and I'm not worried about it one bit because I think the long-term proposition of NuCypher is intact. I like the story. I think August is a key point, a very key point for everyone to understand that as this merge happens between NuCypher and Keep, that we will start to see some traction on this thing. I fully anticipate a lot more interest will perk. It is a first of its kind. I'm sure a lot more people will start engaging in it once we get closer to that date and as more news starts to populate the environment. So let's take a look over at the markets. We're at 23.41. We're still in this very long bound broadening wedge. And if you look at many of these longer like stocks over a long-term basis and you see broadening wedges like this, it's important to note that they usually resolve to the upside. So I'm not really worried about this. The upside will happen. It will break this line at some point. This is my view. And that's why I'm in it for the long term. Now, I drew this smile line not too long ago for everyone to understand. On the NuCypher Bitcoin pair, just to recall, NuCypher is what we just looked at in US dollars. We're looking now at the NuCypher strength to Bitcoin. This is the smile chart for the NuCypher strength to Bitcoin. What we're looking at right now is a massive consolidation here. I like what I'm seeing. I like a long-term horizontal consolidation through time. Now, if you look, and as I positioned my cursor here, if you look at the horizontal line, right? So going from here all the way down to here, right? There's not much that it has never really been below this point for quite some time, as well as, and when we did see a dip down, it was only held from December of 2020, or actually probably more at the beginning of the year to the end of the month, or 3 weeks in. So it's really had only 3 or 4 weeks below this point in time, below this 673 line. So look, it's consolidating right on that line right now, and I like them. I like what I'm seeing. This has been a proper week and change. It is doing a real serious consolidation here in a tight range. So keep your eye on this. Now I expect, by the way, for that to start popping soon. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. I have no news on Bitcoin today, so we will be brief. But 34,642. Look, we're slightly lower than we were yesterday. We had hit 36,000 at some point. Taking a further look here, we were almost at 37,000 to call it right there. Sometime at like 3 or so in the afternoon yesterday. But then we came back down. And what I've drawn here are these two red lines. What are the red lines? This is kind of where we see a trend, a potential trend here, starting back. And I'll just zoom out a bit. Starting back as far as back here, so around a week ago or so, and if we were to say, all right, well, where does this thing make a decision? Well, it's going to be any time between now and this is July 2nd. So around this period of time till July 2nd, we should start seeing some real momentum here, one way or the other, on Bitcoin. I think we can go up here, but again, it's a dicey area here because there's a lot of, we're kind of contingent on some of the news that comes out. It's a short-term, impact, obviously, but it could still short-term impact it down or up, and we just have to see how the news story plays out over the next week. And that's pretty much all I have, but right now I see really nice consolidation here, and I think we'll start to see more of that. By the way, in the future, I'm going to start putting these time codes in so that you can skip, to different sections of the videos going forward, so it's a little easier for you to navigate. If you're short of time, you just want to get to the content, you could do that as well. At some point in time, I will be combining these cryptos into one video and make it a lot easier for all of you that like to look at both videos, so that you can, like, if you like the graph and you like NuCypher, you'll be able to see it all in one video as well. But you'll also be able to skip through and get to the content that you're looking for. Anyway, I'm out. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.